Hello students, welcome to Navya's channel. Today we will discuss about political science class 10 political parties chapter. Okay, so first of all we should know the meaning of political party. What do you mean by political party? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. So now when we are talking about political party, why we need to have political party? What is the purpose of political party? So parties agree on some policies and programs for the society with the view to promote the collective good. So bringing reformation in the society, that is the purpose of political party. So they will bring some policies, programs, improvement of the society. Next, parties reflect fundamental political divisions in a society. When we say that political parties reflect fundamental political divisions in a society, we mean that these parties represent the key ideological, social, economic, and cultural divides that exist within the society. Political divisions often arise from differences in interests, values, beliefs, or priorities among various group of people. Political parties form they represent those differing perspectives, advocate for policies that align with their supporters' views. For example, so you could see in some societies fundamental division based on the economic or money matter. So some people, some political party represent the interest of rich people, and some political party may represent the interest of the poor people. Next, we will talk about the major components of a political party. As you can see on the screen, the three components are there. First one, the leaders. Second one, the active members. And third one, the followers. So you can you may be aware that because of followers party, it's spreads or it become more popular. Next, we will talk about functions of a political party. So, first of all, parties contest in elections. Next, parties put forward different policies which can bring reformation among the people. Parties play decisive role in making laws. Okay, parties form and run the government. Parties play role of opposition, means which loses in election, that play the role of opposition. Parties shape public opinions, and parties provide people access to the government machinery. So people reach to the government through the political party. So that also contribution of the political party. Now when we are talking about political party, what is the necessity of having the political party? So major necessity we can see over here. So first of all, political party help in the representing different views on various issues to the government. Like if you're taking example of one view or growth of the country, different group of people having different view that represented by the political party. They work as a mechanism to support for the restrain the government, make policies justify opposite. Like for example, ruling party try to bring some reformation in the country, so they bring some policies. So the ruling party justify that whatever policy they made, and opposition may criticize that they will find the mistakes of that whatever that in the policy. Next, they bring various representatives together to that responsible government could be formed. Ultimately, political parties fulfill the needs that every representative government has. Next, we will talk about how many parties we need to have. Like when you are taking the example, so about the political party worldwide, different types of government exist. So mostly majority countries follows democracy. So more political party means more competition. So more competition will be bring or very effective governance within the democracy. So in that case, we can appreciate our country. We have more than 750 political registered political party which is registered with the election commission. Okay, so all the parties may not be that serious to contest elections, but some of the major party you may be knowing recognized as a national parties, so they very particular or serious about contesting election. So when you're talking about political party, so there are different systems exist within in a political party. So in the worldwide there are different pattern political party systems are there. So first of all, one party system. So one party system in the sense, you may think, is it a good example for democracy? No, it's not, because there is no competition. So only one party can run the government over here. Best example is a communist party in China. So this is not a democratic form of the government. Next, two party system. This is the example of democracy, like UK and USA. Ultimately, we can see that multi party system is the best example of democracy. Thank you.